Okay. Okay. Welcome ulit po sa ating basketball night fever po tayo ngayon. We're live here sa ating sa Newton International School in Bar Village, Indoor. We're live here right now for the Saturday edition of the Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming sa ito po ang liga na mga lumipad. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Wala tayo the following sponsors, Thread Needles ng Team LBC ang padala. Saan po natin po dyan ang SPB ARA at PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, ito po ating participating teams sa gawin ito. Kamusta po sir? Idol. Ito po, The Hub, Oryx, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, In-Flights, Cabin Line. Of course, nandiyo po ang QR Towers, Freighters, Sky Team at ang D Mechanicals. Good din po sa po dyan ako sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju. And now this is now the eliminations. Game number 1 for today, Saturday edition. Boleros versus The Hub, followed by Cabin Line and the Sky Team. Pero dito muna po tayo po, Boleros and The Hub. Good din po sa po ako sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju. Boleros po playing now in the new colors, black with fiery combination. Yan po yan. Headed by JP and Forbes and Company po yan. Yung long hair po yan po si JP. Si BJ pa, of course. Nandiyan din po si sino ba yung ano natin dyan? Of course, nandiyan po si JP nga. Yes, JP nga. This of course, yung playing white po dyan. White and navy po tayo. Ito po na po ang The Hub. Okay, finishing po ito last quarterfinals po. Natalo po sila po sa quarterfinals and advancing to the semis po yan. Kung din po dyan ako sa Arvin G Vlog si Ju, you're still right now, you're watching right now, live na po tayo ngayon. Between first game for tonight po, between Boleros and The Hub. Okay. In just 1 minute remaining, we'll start right now sa ating pong programang ito. Mukhang, if you notice po na, mukhang nagpalakas po ang The Hub. And of course, yung Boleros po, maraming mga bago tayong mukha po dito. Yan, sige po. PJ, Forbes. So nga dito, nakalip tayo yun. Forbes, mukhang nakita natin, bago mo, may bago mukha. Idol, sige, atas na konti, boss. Atas na. Okay, may bago mukha po tayo, sir, ngayon, sa team ninyo. Mukhang bagong acquire kayo, mga bagong faces,
Ako po yung bago.
Hindi, bago. Pero biro, parang tayo mga bagong mukha, sir.
Meron tayo mga bago.
Pero nandiyan pa rin yung usual, sina U-turn, nandiyan din.
Oo, may pasok lang sila.
May pasok lang talaga.
Pero maglalaro sila na isa.
Ay, sa asos na out ng players. Pero mukhang nagpalakas kayo, nagpatangkad din kayo. May number 1 kayong matangkad, no? Santiago? Inshallah. Okay, yan po, si Mr. Forbes, yung kanang team leader po. And of course, nandito po nagkakabilaan po, yan po, nagdagano kasi na po dyan po ang team The Hub. Okay, matter of minutes po, we're starting right now in 3, 2, 1. Good luck for both teams po. We're about to start na ito, Idol, rep. Idol, isa.
Ayos lang.
Okay, yan. Okay, tara. Simula po tayo yun. Of course, nandito po yung mga usual po natin. Yan, si 26 at si number 7.
Ako,
Idol. Okay. Sa Monte, nandyan. Si ano, sir? Si Paddy. Boss, si Paddy, nandyan? Punta? Okay. Talagang galing sa... Okay, let's start right now po. First game for tonight between Boleros, playing in black with fiery combination, versus The Hub, white and navy blue combination. Pa-shoutout po, Boss Fernandez, may gout. Okay, magaling ka, sir. Okay, if you notice po, marami po mga bagong mukha din po ngayon po, both teams din, Notable po, yung number 1 po na Santiago sa Boleros po. Dito na po, of course, yung usual pa, pero may mga bagong hire din po sila. Pero still, we'll see now, right now, in the fact of 40 minutes of basketball action between Boleros and The Hub. Okay, Jonas Manapat is watching right now. Okay, good evening po sir po. Okay, let's start right now. Okay, first starters. Sa Boleros, number 16, number 6, number 1, number 9, at si Forbes. Kabila naman po dyan po, of course, nandyan po na po, nandyan si 16 din, 14, 0, 57, at si number, teka lang, number 9. Okay. Okay, number 6. Okay, meron nga Santos, Dubs and Company versus of course Valdez and Mendoza and Company for the first game sa ating Saturday edition ng Aviation Friendly League Dub as a Flying League. Okay. Takin po tayo, then yung mahikaw po natin, pakicheck lang po. At the same time, yung kwintas po, pakideposit lang sa akin para masangla ko na. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Okay, first quarter, start right now in 3, 2, 1. Full possession for na Dubs na on the run, Dubs. Number 9, Dubs. Layup kagad, in and out. Nandun kagad si Mendoza. Siya nagtitimong kagad po. Mendoza manning the play. Now to Mr. Garcia, number 16. Najib pops up, bangs it in. Najib bangs kagad, tumama kagad. 0-2 kagad for the hub. And now to Santiago, the bare big man. And Santos, no look pass, malakas. Again, number 9. Nakaribot si number 9. Again, si Najib na nagtitimon. Nagtitimon si Najib again. And si Garcia, number 16. Number 16. Nope, it's number 9. Number 9. Bothered. Najib again, first pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the hub. Valdez to Garcia again. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won now by the Boleros. Boleros ang rebound ngayon. Boleros, binababa. Number 5, bringing on the ball. That's Arman to Santos again. Number 6. Santos, Arman. Number 1, Santiago. Number 9, Dubs, pops up, malakas. Mendoza. Binatong bola kay Garcia. Naku, muntik na. And 2, pops up, no good. Number 6. And a foul. Double dribble or traveling violation called on Santos. Santos called for the double dribble or traveling, sorry. Balik muli po sa The Hub ang bola. Sige po, good din po siya po dyan. Comment lang po kayo po dyan. Maraming salamat po. Sige. Okay, balik po muli po tayo. Inbound din po ang The Hub. Okay, nagpapalit na po ng bola. Yan now, number 16. Binaba ang bola, number 16. And now, okay, Valdez again. Valdez. Number 16, binato, no look pass, Kaldog. Valdez, Bishop, pass. What touch, that's with the black shirts. 3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds to shoot. And sinaro ng Company po. Nice one by Najib again. Idol. Anong kulay nyo, sir? Sky blue pa rin? Okay, may puti na. Idol. And back to the ball game. Traveling violation called on the Boleros. Okay, 8 minutes remaining. And now again, number 9 to Mendoza, number 57. 57 bring down the ball. And now number 16. Valdez. Penetrating. Soft touch. Wala. Number Santiago, number 1. Naka-rebound. And now again, Mr. number 6, Santos. Binatumula palabas to number 1, Santiago. Nice one. Wala pa rin hanggang yun. Sarado pa rin literal ang ring para sa Boleros. And Garcia. Sidestep move. Teka lang. Take 2. Take 2 for Mr. Garcia. Who's foul number 5 ng Boleros called for the foul. That's Arman. Number 5 called for the foul. Garcia shooting for 2. Check ko lang pa. Pasensya lang po ha. First shot. Nagawa ba? Na-shoot ba ang first shot? Di ko nakita eh. Yes. It's in. Number 2, Garcia. Number 16, second throw jumper shot. Hindi po tayo. Both basket made. 6-0 at exactly 7:25 remaining. Still, Boleros has yet to score. Pero yung po natin kung si adjusted pang gawin po nila. Dito mo si Santos. Dito kay number 1. Pops up. No good. Number Mendoza. Nando si Santos. Nice interception. Binababa ni Santos ang bola. Santos. Nice one. Number 9. Pasok ang bola. Okay, Boleros na. Punching the hole na. Para sa scoring. That's number 9. Dabs. Najib, ayaw, mainit ang Mendoza, luwag. Wala, number 1, binato. Number 1, nakdoon, nandun sa Valdez. No good. No foul. Santos again, Mendoza nakalusot. Santos, foul. Matibay yan, Santos yun eh. Patayin sir, ano? Patayin yung uniform nyo ngayon? Di na yung sky blue? Yung panty ng sky blue nyo? Di na? Nag-dark kayo yun. Ayos ah. Ayos. First shot ni Santos, no good. Second shot, jumper. Shali po tayo at 6:27 remaining. 6:27 remaining po. 2-6 ang score po natin. Santos, pasok ang bola. Kalahati, lamang ng kalahati ang The Hub. 6-3 ang score po natin. 6-3. David Lendy Dugusunal is watching. Jonas Manap still watching with me. Garcia. Mendoza. Driving show. Pinasa agad. Walang sumalo. Ay! Tumama sa paa. Naging football ang bola. Balik muli po tayo. Santos again to Armaan. To Santos again. Santos tumitimo na ngayon ng bola to Dabs, number 9. Number 9, Santos, kick pass, walang sumalo. Walang sumalo. Valdez, 0. In the sky play, wala pa rin sumalo. Wala rin sumalo doon. Walang sumalo rin sa kabila naman. Balik muli po tayo. Patiarca for the inbound to Mr. Santos, number 6 to Dabs. Arman bothered by the 2 ball hubs. Oy! Okay, blocking foul called. Blocking foul called. Number 0 called for a foul. Dabs, number 9 for the inbound. Dabs now to Santos, number 6. Arman almost lost the ball. Brainy, buti na lang.
Shot clock natin is
12 seconds remain, 12 seconds to shoot. Arman, binabatong bola. Santos, Arman, driving strong. Number 1, nope. Pinasa pala. Wala. Patiaka na bothered slightly. And now to Mendoza, driving strong. Number 9, wala. Rebound by number 1. Nanakawan, 2 points. And change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo mga boss, mga madam. 4:54 remaining. The score is 3-8. Lamang po ang The Hub by 5 points. Okay, second 5 po na po sa The Hub. Si Nitro. Ostulyaw po yan. Estapa. 7. Si number 2 at si number 28. Sa kabilang 4, nandiyan si 24. Number 0. Si number 00. Number 0, si 69, 00. Number 0, number 20, 69, Dolor, 0, 00. At si number 11. 17 rather. 00. Nice pass. Penetrating, wala. And it's touch last by The Hub. balik muli po tayo sa Boleros ang bola. 4:35 remaining sa ating first quarter action.
Shot clock po natin is 12 seconds again.
Okay, ito po tayo. Number 2, binapatay Nitro na walang bola. Malakas. Nitro. And now, nako, maling bola. Hindi sumalo, di nasalo. Di nasalo ang bola, sayang. 4:21 remaining. 3-8 score po natin. Mark 69. 0-0. 0-0. Driving show. Nawala ang bola. Losing the lead. Zohan. Number 69. Pass. No good. Dolor. Air ball by Dolor. Now to number. Number 0. Zigzagging. Nako, sayang.
Parang di yan siya yun.
Nitro, dishing off. Nice hustle play by 0-0. Oy, traveling violation. Okay, Nichols Tuliao for the inbound. Tuliao. 7, San Miguel, Tuliao. Nice one. Nice one. De Padua, 2 points. De Padua, 2 points. Zohan. Don't mess with the Zohan. 69, got the shot. No good. Rebound. Oy! Wala pa rin. Check lang. Pagpag lang. De Padua. Tuliao, Nichols. Tuliao. Driving strong. Tuliao. Wala. And same ball tayo.
Countdown natin is 9 seconds to shoot.
Number 4 for the inbound. Nope, it's De Padua. Palpal. Nice one, De Padua. Second chance points for De Padua is in. 2:45 remaining at 3:12 remaining. De Padua mark. Ay, nahulog. Pops up. Wala. Nice one, nandun. Walang hindi nasalo nito yung bola. Okay, number 69. 0-0, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by De Padua. San Miguel. Nitro. No good. Zohan nakalusot. Power move. 2 points, number 17. Braun, number 17. 2 minutes remaining. 5-20 score po natin. Laman po ng 7 ang The Hub. Nandyan po tayo, of course, Tuliao, number 7. That's San Miguel to Tuliao again. Number 4. Pops up. Bangs it in. 3 points, Tuliao, 3 points. And now to Zohan, to number 69, number 1, Braun, no good. No foul. Diego Tuliao again, panalo shot, no good. Rebound by Zohan. Don't mess with the Zohan. Okay, number 20. Number 17, Braun, Ron, no good. Rebound, power rebound by Oopsie Daisy. Out of bounds. Symbol po tayo. Touch by Estapa. Estepa. Intercepted by San Miguel. Wala. Malakas. 0-0. Hoy! Intercepted by De Padua. Nitro. De Padua. Foul called. Okay, backcourt inbound, hindi po siya up shooting. Okay, si Nichols Studio po ang magpapasok. Nichols to Nitro, pops up. No good. Air ball. Kaldog. Uy, foul called. Foul on number 7. Number 7 called for the foul. 34 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Drawing to a close already. Number 69, Mark 69. Mark 69 for the inbound. Mark 69 for the inbound. Si Dolor nag-aantay. Dolor, kumuha ng bola na. Dolor. Oop. Malakas ang pass ni Dolor. Zohan. Missed the pass.
Potential last possession.
Okay, tuloy po tayo. 22 seconds remaining. San Miguel. De Padua, driving strong. No good. Hoy! Hoy! Travel.
13 seconds.
Okay, last shot. Nitro. San Miguel.
Here comes the
Nick.
ball.
Wala. And that's it. Juan Armam pops out na. Okay, sabi ni Ray Cream. You're watching right now the first game for tonight. Saturday action po tayo between Boleros and the Hub. Ang score po natin is 5-15. A 10-point advantage by the Hub over the Boleros. Garcia for the inbound. Number 16, Garcia. Okay, si Valenciano nandiyan na. Overstand din si JP. Si PJ pala, sorry. Number 15, nandun si Valenciano. Nice rebound. OJ Ratter, malakas na ng pasa. Sa kabilang ko si number 26 din, nandyan din. At si number 16. Kabila naman po si number 24, si Garcia, si number 5, at si number 20. Pops up 24, malakas. Rebound battle won by Hellball situation. Hellball situation po tayo. Balik muli po tayo. Ang bola po natin sa napkin number 6. Number 6 to 26. It's in. Okay. Number 6. Santos. Pops up for 3. High looper shot. No good. Nice rebound. 26. Samonte 2 points. Samonte 2 points. The score is 7-15. An 8-point lead advantage. Still enjoyed by the Hub. Okay, number 16. Fron now to Floro. Floro for 3. Wala. One more time. Floro. Driving strong. Malakas pa rin. Valenciana. And to OJ. OJ Forbes. Samonte. Oy! Take 2. Foul. Foul number 24. Santos. Santiago Santos. Wala. And now still. Binababa ngayon. Nagbaba. Hoy! Traveling violation. Nice quick hands by Samonte. Nice deep by Samonte. Parang may bull kasi yata yung kamay nun. Dumikitan ng basa-basing bola. Okay, number 26 Samonte for the inbound. Okay, now to Santos, number 6. New faces also sa Boleros. Samonte. No good. Take 2.
Jersey number 16.
Samonte, take 2. Foul on jersey number 16. That's Garcia of the Hub. 26, Samonte shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up, both basket made. 9:50 na score po natin. The score is 9:15, 7:54 remaining. Laman pa rin po ang The Hub. Rosana, Garcia, Floro, Garcia, Floro. Pasok ang bola kay Floro. Dukot sa ilalim, pambiligay. Dukot, pasok. Santos, number 6. Boleros, muntik na kay OJ. Santos penetrating. Nako, wala. Again, Rosana. Pops up. Offline. Nando, may nagbabantay. Wala pa rin. OJ, training job. OJ. Nando, nalakawan. Nice one. Rosana, 2 points. Santos. Timothy Seb is watching right now. Thank you po, sir. Santos. Number 6, Santos. Valenciana, hindi na sila ang bola. 6:47 remaining. 9:19 na score po natin. Garcia, binababang bola. Thinking 3, ayaw muna niya. Number, nice D. Good ball. Santos nagmamadali. Santos, 2 points Santos, 2 points. And now kay Rosana again. Rosana, binabang bola. Floro, no good. Rebound by Valenciana. Number 7. Again, Santos, maging 2-on-1 situation. 3-on-2. 4-on-3 situation. Foul. Number 33 called for a foul ng The Hub. That's Mr. Fron. Nope. Rebound battle. Nice one. Palpal. Blocked by Floro.
5 shot clock.
5 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. At 5:56 remaining. OJ. Palpal. Pero may foul. Foul called. That's Guro. Guro number 5 called for the foul. OJ number 15 shooting for 2 at 5:54 remaining. First quarter action. Second quarter action rather. First shot, OJ, pasok. Second throw, jumper shot for both teams. 5:54 remaining. 11 natin ang score po natin. Pops up, OJ. No good. Rebound, battle won by The Hub. Again, Rosana rather. Garcia number 16. Floro. Good ball, floater shot, no good. Number 7 called for a foul ng Boleros. 5:45 remaining. Second starters, ready na po kayo. Guro, number 5, shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second drive.
It's in. 11:20, laman ng siyam. Samonte, binababa ang bola. Santos, number 6. Driving show. Ayun, sa ilalim, ang ganda. That's number 16, 2 points. Si Patriaca. 2 points. 5:30 remaining.
Down to 7:20.
Garcia, number 16.
14 shot clock.
Floro. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Wait, pagkani saan yan? Bumalik sa Hub. Santos, number 6, pops up for 3. In and out. Floro. Santos again. Valenciana, pops up for 3. No good. Dwight. naka-rebound. And Garcia, 2 points Garcia. Using the speed. And change line na po tayo at 4:39 remaining. Okay, second starters po natin. Number 7, number 0, number 28, number 14, at si number 4. Kabila ng po si number 6, number 1. Number 5, number 1, number 9, number 69, and number 17. 4:39 remaining. Second quarter action ongoing. Arnan. Number 5, Arnan. 69. Number 5, Arnan. Nope. Number 9, Palpal. Nice one. Nice block by Nasir or Najib. Nice block by Najib.
13 seconds to shoot.
Balatan po natin agad yan. Eto na naman siya. Driving show. Floater shot. Wala. Binbound kaga kay Nitro. Valdez. 2 points. Valdez. Mark number 69. Mark again. Arman. Badard. Nice one. And again, back-to-back field goes by Valdez. 39-30 and a 16-point advantage already been enjoyed na by the Hub. Again, another steal again. Again, to Valdez. Hindi po di na po nagkapitulit po yan. 3:26 remaining. Second quarter action on the way. Tuliao, Nichols, and De Padua. 2 points again. De Padua, 2 points. Number 1. Traveling violation called on number 1. Traveling violation called on number 1. Dumikit yung bola. 3:12 remaining. San Miguel. Tuliao, Nichols. Walang pinasahan. Ang ganda sana nun. No look pass. Muntik na. Mark number 69. Palpal. Nice block by De Padua. And Santiago number 1. To Arnan. Nope. It's Dubs number 9. Number 9. Dub. No look pass. Wala pa rin. One more time. 2 points. Put back by number 1. That's Santiago. And of course, binaba po natin po dyan, number 4, Tuliao. Tuliao, number 4, for 3. Bang! Sirin! 3 points, Tuliao. 2:23 remaining. Number 28. Binabdubber, number 69, sorry. Dubs, number 9, driving strong against Tuliao. Still completed. Binatoan ng bola kay Valdez. Valdez, 2 on 3. Ayuke, number 7, San Miguel, 2 points. Iba talaga may pinagsamahan, San Miguel talaga. And binaba po tayo ngayon. And again, now kay Dubs, number 9. Nope, it's number 69. Mark for 3. Offline. Again, De Padua naka-rebound. 1 minute 47 remaining. Nichols, Tuliao. San Miguel, binaba ang bola. San Miguel to Tuliao again. Nichols. Tuliao. Tuliao. Nice one, Valdez. Malakas nga lang. In and out. Number 6, number 9. Mark kay number 1. Ay, the sky play. Power move. Wala. Nandun si San Miguel. De Padua. Najib. De Padua. Touch pass kay Najib. Najib. Power move. 2 points, Najib. Najib, 2 points. 1:09 remaining. 15-13 score po natin. At 23-point lead advantage been enjoyed by the Hub. Dubs number 9. Mark, number 69.
1 minute remaining.
Arman, number 5. Pops up. No good. De Padua, nakuha ang bola ni De Padua.
Seconds.
Number 4, 50 seconds remaining. Tuliao Nichols. Nice one. Nice swipe. And to Santiago. Santiago. 2 point Santiago. 37 seconds remaining.
Still a good 1 point lead.
Nichols, Tuliao, number 4. Valdez, pumuposisyon na. And kay San Miguel, number 7. Driving strong. Nice one. Hindi lang kumapit yung Pectus. Binababa ang bola. Again now kay kay Arna. Oy! Foul called. Foul called. Sabi kayo, San Miguel called for the foul. 9 seconds remaining.
Number 7, Santiago.
Iba may pinagsamahan San Miguel Beer. Ay mali, San Miguel lang pala. San Miguel called for a foul at 9 seconds remaining. Number 1. Nope, it's Mark. Touch pass. Arnan. Arnan. Number 1, no good. 2 seconds remaining. Najib Kalas. Halftime tayo. Halftime tayo.
Alright, wala tayong penalty sa parehong 14 players. Parehong 14 players. Let me see if time penalties.
Sa kayo, sa kayo. Kanila sa kanila. May jump on tayo.
Okay, back to the game rin po tayo. Seconds. Half na po tayo ngayon. Change court po tayo ngayon. 17-13 score po natin at daunting 21 point lead advantage being posted by the Hub over the Boleros. Okay, balik muna po tayo. Mendoza. Uy, nice steal! Eto na, nice steal. Santos, 2 points. Eto na yata. O, ito natin. Mukha yata na. Oh, pakita mo na ano. Pakita niya na tunay na kulin nyo ngayon. Okay, 9:41 remaining. Valdez for 3. Wala. Rebound battle won by the hub. Power move. Lost the ball. And balik tayo sa block. Block muli po tayo. Block. Number 9. Number 6. Santos. Santos nagbababa ang bola. And now, number 9. Santos again. Bron. No good. Rebound battle by number 9. Number 9 pops up. No good. 0-0. Wala. Okay, ito na po tayo. Binababa muna. And binagbababaan po sila ngayon. Mendoza hounded by Zohan to Nitro to number 10. Estepa 3-second violation. Hello. 3-second violation called. 1938. Ang score po natin at 19-point advantage been enjoyed by the Boleros. Santos 0-0. Ron again. No good. Mendoza nagmamit si Mendoza hounded. Double team again. And Nitro power move. No good. Foul called. Okay. Number 9 shooting for 2 for shot. Kapos. Wala. Second shot jumpers ready po tayo by number 9. Number 9, second free throw po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Meron pala. The score is 40-19.
0-0. Pass to Ron.
What the play? Wow, ano yun? Okay, 19.6, 19-20 bilig niya. Naging 19 na muli po ang kalaban. Okay, 19. Oops. Nice D. And Nitro again. Nice cut. Number 30, Estepa. Nope. Ito na naman. Nagmamadali. Santos. Nako, mali. And mutik na. Nitro. 4-on-3 situation. Pops up. 3-second violation na naman. Three-second violation called. And now again, number 9, Dabs. Dabs again. No good. Number 2, Nitro, power move. Wala. Si Daisy. Out of bounds.
Shot clock natin is 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Estepa, pops up, blooper shot, wala. Out of bounds. Boleros ball.
Paalala, may miss-mekos na. Lapit lang po yung pagsasap.
Santos. Intercepted. Mendoza against Santos. Santos in the counting. Santos steal and a foul call to Mendoza.
Substitution.
Okay, sa po tayo number 16. Nagpasok ng big man ang Team Boleros, Patriaca. Ay, hikos.
Santos. Paso 0-0.
Hoy! Traveling violation code. Baba tayo, 24, binabang bola.
Lazada.
24, nawala. Swipe from behind, number 6. Ano ba yan? And now Mendoza. Ron.
Back to Mendoza.
Mendoza, ayun, malakas. Power move, foul call.
Foul on jersey number 16. Substitution. Jersey number 16, Patriarca, first personal foul. Dalawang tira ni Kalipin.
Second shot, number 9, jump. Second shot, pops up. It's out. Rebound by number 9. Ng Boleros. 69 mark, 0-0. For 3, 0-0. No good.
0 for 3,
Wala pa rin, number 10. Estepa control. Estepa again, no good. Swipe away. Pass break tayo, transition play tayo. Palpal! And also nice guard by Guro. Mendoza. 3-second violation na naman. Substitution po tayo.
Awangin na mo yung mga papalitan.
4:51 remaining. Third quarter action on the way. Binabang bola number 69. 69 binabang bola. 69. That's Mark. Mark the spark. No good. Number 16, Garcia against Mark. Garcia against Mark. Nope, it's Rosana. No good. Nabro. 0. Binabang bola. Bron. And one play made for Bron. And one play made.
Jersey number 24.
Okay, number 17, Bron. Shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 23-39 at 60-point still advantage enjoyed by Team Hub. Ron. No good. Nandun. Number 0. Walang pinasahan. Good ball. Garcia. Walang pinasahan na naman. And black ball. Black ball po tayo. Boleros ball. Boleros ball again now. Number 69, Mark 69. And now to Mr. Dubs. Mark 69. Intercepted by Guro. 3 on 2, 2 on 3. Nice one, nice play. Pinasa pa. Kalilo. Wala. Pinababang bola, number 24 pops up. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds, black ball. Out of bounds, black ball po tayo. 3:31 remaining, 23-39. Okay, Tepadua, papasok muna para kay number 9. Kalimlim, out muna para kay Tepadua. Okay, sa kalmahan ko, si number 1, papasok muna para kay Bron. Number 1 to number 6 to number 69. Number 69 Mark. Number 9 Dubs Santiago. Foul call. Tepadua called for the foul. Santiago, number 1, the big man, shooting for 2.
First personal, 30 foul.
3:18 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo by number 1, Santiago. Pareho, pasok. It's patok. And now number 24. Garcia, number 16. 16 Garcia. Up. Dwight. Nando intercepted. Intercepted. Counting almost. Mark. Number 1, malakas. Swept away. Mark, wala pa rin. Rebound, pero wala pa rin. Ano ba yan? It's still completed. Number 1, wala.
Paul Clement on jersey number 24.
The score right now is 24-39. Still at 7. Ba to? Hindi ba to? Yeah. Okay.
Substitution.
A 15-point lead advantage is enjoyed by the Hub over Boleros. Intercepted by Mark already. Number 1.
Then Shanla.
Number 1. Binabantayan ni Dwight. Nice pass. Ayun! Sayang. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Paul on jersey number 1.
Foul on number 1, Rara. Pushing foul called on number 1, Santiago. 2:17 remaining. Dwight for 3. Wala.
Ibang Patriarca, Santiago na.
Santiago, binabambola. Santiago against Padua. Mark. Wala pa rin. Mark uli. Muntik pa rin. Take 2.
Substitution.
Substitution called.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Second personal.
Okay, Mark number 69 shooting for 2. The score is 24-39. Wala pa rin. Second shot jumpers, ready po tayo.
Second shot for Mark.
No good. Rebound battle. Number 0. Scrambling. Stepping on the line. Sumobra. Hindi kinaya. Okay, isa muna po tayo. Arman, pinasok muna para kay number 0 ng Boleros. Santos, nasa loob na rin. Double team, triple team. Foul called.
Jersey number 69. Both teams warning for penalty. Mark personal foul.
Dwight. De Padua. Yoyo, Bilomba. Wala. Number 1, naka-rebound. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. 69. Pal. Swipe by De Padua. Valdez. And one play made. Number 1, Idol, Billy the man. Okay.
Paul on Padua.
Dep. Oh, yun o, video. Santiago, second shot. Wala. Santiago nakuha. Santiago muli. Malakas. Garcia, 26-39. A 13-point lead advantage being enjoyed still by the Hub. Garcia, number 16. De Padua. Guro. Pasok ang bola kay Guro. Guro, 3 points. Guro, 3 points. Boleros, again.
55 seconds.
Number 7. Number 1. Walang kumat. Sayang. Walang kumat. Substitution made now. 48 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Pasara na. Next game po natin. Where na you? Dito na mi. Nasa ng cabin line. Tsaka ang the Sky Team. Swipe away. No foul. 3-on-2 situation. Number 1. Nope. Nice rebound by De Padua. De Padua again now to Valdez. Pops up Garcia. Wala. Again, one more time kay Garcia. Whoop! Valdez, kumat sa ilalim. Wala. No foul. Guro for 3. No good. Number 1. 2 points, number 1. And that's it. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 28-41. A 13-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Team The Hub. Booker. You're still watching right now the game between Boleros and The Hub. This game will be followed immediately by the following teams. Cabin. Followed by Cabin Line and the Sky Team. Mamaya po yan po, after po ng larong ito, Boleros and The Hub. Decision Aviation Friendly Doubles of Frank would like to thank the following sponsors: Trade the Needles and Team LBC Hanep Padala, of course Space BQ and SPB ARA for making the game in a neat and orderly fashion. These are the participating teams po tayo ngayon, you're watching right now, and of course, welcome po sa ating pong eliminations. And you're watching right now the first game for tonight po for the Saturday night basketball action between The Hub versus the Boleros. Balik po tayo. Okay. Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Start right now. Timer. Timer, sir. Timer.
Timer shot. Oras.
Okay, teka. Okay, thank you. Dabs for the inbound. Dabs now to Bron. To Dabs again, number 9. Number 1, pumusisyon na! Wala. Foul down. Foul called.
Foul on jersey number 0.
Valdez again called for the foul.
Valdez, pakatulong.
Valdez, third personal fouls. Balingmeno and of course and Santos for 3. Ayaw, kumat. Foul na naman.
Foul, jersey number 7.
Number 7 called for the foul. That's San Miguel. Third personal pa also for San Miguel.
13-14.
Swiped away. Santiago pops up top of the key. Pasok ang bola. Basket made. 11-point advantage still enjoyed by Team The Hub over the Boleros. Nichols Tuliao for 3. Ayaw. Najib, power move. Nawala. Swipe away. No foul again. Nawala rin ang bola. Hub ball. Bola pa ng The Hub. And now San Miguel. Number 7, Valdez. Tuliao for 3. Nope. Rebound by number 6, Santos, number 6, rebound. Number 9, Santos again for 3. Kapos. Nando si Valdez. Valdez sa kulusot. No good. Bron. Blocking foul on Najib. Number 14, Nasir called for a foul. Blocking foul called. Ron shooting for 2. It's in. Okay, 10 kalamangan. Bumaba ang kalamangan ng The Hub. Hinahabol po unti-unti. Inutay-utay. No good. Rebound battle won by De Padua, nandun si San Miguel. San Miguel, pops up doon. Ayun ang ganda, palpal! Pero may foul. Foul called on Santos. Santos called for a foul. 8:42 remaining, 31-41. Laman po ng 10 na lang ang The Hub from the height of 23 kanina. Nasa pops up. Kapos. Second shot, jumper ready for Nasir. 8:42 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Lebron. Santos nagmamadali. Santos. Foul. Blocking foul. Tuliao Nichols called for a foul. Dubs. Number 1. Foul again.
Foul on jersey number 14.
Di pa.
Jersey number 14, third personal foul.
Najib, third personal foul. Warning for penalty po ang team The Hub. Number 1, Santiago shooting for 2. No good. Second throw, jumper siya ready. Santiago. Jumper siya ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, laman ng siyam. 8:27 remaining. 9-point ball game for The Hub. Number 7. Nope. Number 9. Dubs, nilabas muna. Para kay Samonte. Ito na yata pinakamalakas sa ng, rotation ngayon. Scott is watching, sir. Dangibu, sir. Good evening po. Nitro. San Miguel. Number 9. Palpal. Isa pa daw. Najib. No good. Rebound by the Boleros. Nandun si Tuliao. Tuliao. Floater shot. Pasok ang bola kay Tuliao. Balik tayo. 26. Binaba ang bola. Samonte. 26 again. Samonte. Black ball daw. Black balls. The ball is black. Sabi na yun. The ball is black. Idol.
May dala sa Ibis?
Wala. Di ko makita. Idol. Hop! Pinasa kagad kay Nandyan, number 7. Pasok ang bola sa Miguel. .37 remaining. Umabot po kanina ng 9 na lang ang kalaman, pero muli na 4 po nila yan. Bumalik po muli po sa 13 kalamangan ng The Hub over the Boleros. Billy, parang may kamukha si Walter, ah. Kakambal ba? .37 remaining. Balik muli po tayo. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Inbounding po sa Samonte ng Boleros.
Second personal foul. 70 foul.
Balik tayo. Boss, mamaya na boss, Scott. Mamaya na, dahil si, pag tumawag ka, makakat broadcast ako. Nitro, pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Nitro. Mamaya na, sir. Tawag si Mami pagkatapos yung laro. Double team. Number one. Driving strong. No, plus the ball. Najib, turn around. Hop, naipit. Nandun si Nitro, San Miguel, bukang we'll start to milk the clock already. Milking the clock already. And now, okay, Tulyao pops up. No good. Rebound nandun muli by number 16 sana. Hindi po, number 7, San Miguel. No good. Foul. Same ball po tayo.
Shot clock at 12. 12 seconds to shoot. Foul from behind, Santiago. Second personal foul. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Jumper for the team.
Joshua Dionisio, 32-50, lamang po kayo. Lamang ang half, 32-50. No good. Wala pa rin. White ball.
Nitro, ulit. Rebound to go. 20, ulit ang mga kanan.
Nice, D.
Shot clock.
Number 9.
Ron. Basta Patriarca.
Patriarca, in and out, 2 points. 2 points, Patriarca. 34-52.
Back 80-14. 4 minutes.
Nitro. Lost the ball. Wala, hindi na ano. Nitro, power move. Malalim. Foul.
Jersey number 4. We have a second personal foul.
Penalty situation, the hub. Tulyao, pangalo lang po yan. Hops. Teka lang.
Substitution,
San Miguel, labas muna raw.
personal foul.
Okay. Dubs, number 9. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. It's in. Number 6. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Nitro. Oh, traveling ka doon. Traveling. Number 6.
4 minutes.
Dubs. Wala pa rin. Guro. Nichols.
Juliao with the number. Again, pass to Juliao.
Nichols to Liao. No good. Sa Miguel na naman. Sa Miguel. Nichols again.
Then, shot clock.
To Liao. Kick pass kay Nitro. Nope. Rebound again. Dabs. Same ball.
Substitution. Substitution.
Okay, sa muna po tayo. Sa muna po. Sinabi 0-0. Pumasok na rin. 3:10 remaining. 35-52. Ang score pa 35-52. 70 point advantage. Santiago. Patriaca. Bang! Power move. Power move, Patriaca.
15-20. Nitro, 14 shot clock. Floater.
Nice floater shot by Nitro. Dabs. 2:40 remaining. Dabs. Palpal. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 28, third personal foul.
Number 20 called for a foul.
Third personal.
No good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. No good pa rin. 2:27 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Patapos na rin po para sa ating first game. Garcia. Nitro.
14 shot clock.
Mendoza. No good. Rebound battle one by Santiago. Swiped away by the Padua. 2:06 remaining. 37-54 at 7 goal lead advantage. Mendoza. Wala. Santiago. Blocked. Ha. Para mga talisayo na. Lost the ball. Garcia. Nitro, malakas. Mendoza. Garcia, 2 points. Foul. Jersey number 2 called for a foul at 1:28 remaining. Hablon sa timeout po. Dahil mga bagong buka rin. Floyd. $1:28 remaining. Fourth and final quarter on the way. Back to the ball game muli po tayo at 1:28 remaining. Dabs. No good. Patriaca. Foul called. Patriarca number 16. Bank shot. Good. Okay. 2 shots given, 16-point lead. 1 minute 18 remaining. Front. No good, no foul. Lost the ball. A minute remaining. Ron. No good. Rebound by Hub. 48 seconds remaining. Okay, I think safety basket na lang tayo. Wala na to.
14 seconds.
Rosna.
Rone.
Ron, 2 points. 31 seconds. Diaz.
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Okay, wala na. I think this will be it. Yes. Okay, post game tayo mamaya.
Basket. 5 seconds remaining.
Okay, that's it.
Congratulations, the winner. Have now. Congratulations as well for Boleros.
Okay, you watch now Boleros versus Hub, and congrats sa Hub po sa nanalo po. Final score 40-60. Thank you very much. And post game po tayo po mamaya. And saan po tayo sa ating second game for tonight.